I'm a sucker for pain. I got the squad tatted on me from my neck to my ankles. The pressure from the man got us all in rebellion. We gon' go to war, yeah, without failure.
I'll be giving you a bike check today of my rig, and if we reach 200 subs, Adrian will be doing a bike check on his rig. If we reach 300 subs, we'll be doing a giveaway, and to be in the draw, you just got to be one of our main subscribers. Comment your thoughts on all the videos and give us feedback, and yeah, we'll get back to the bike check. I'll be starting my bike check today with my grips, my ODI Excellence. Still got stock bars, got total top loader, total compression cap, snafu headset with ODI bearings. I got stock total forks. We come down to my hubs. I got total hubs, alienation rims, they're still stock. Come to the cranks. I got total BMX cranks, got a total BMX sprocket, a KMC stock chain. I've got a, can't remember what brand seat this is. I got total rear hub, alienation rear rim, and I got stock pedals. And come to my best part of my bike, I got a total Alex Colburn signature bike. Runs really well. If you want to purchase one of them, go to Chain Reaction Cycles or Morgan Bikes. I'm out.
Run. You shit, Derek.
Shit.
Run.